welcome back to my channel. I do hope you're doing well. So you're going to get a little bit of a sneak peek now for a video that's coming later on in the week, or maybe early next week. When we went to Edinburgh, you know, I thoroughly enjoyed my visit to Brogan's parents' butchers, and I thought, you know what, we're doing a video on taste testing and everything like that, but I thought I want a proper dedicated video to some of these fabulous ingredients. So we're going to go for the ultimate sausage and mash, and that consists of, my lovelies, you'll see an overview in a minute, but look at the size of them sausages. Look at that. These are hog roast sausages, and then we've also got, I can't remember if I've got black or white pudding. We're going to cook it up and see how it goes, but Brogan has told me to cook these all in the oven. When I done, you'll see in the other vlog, I done them on the hob. I like my sausages crispy, but she says, Shan, it's better in the oven. So I'm going to do that. We're going to be doing mustard mash with it, and we're going to have a little bit of greenery. Of course, it's going to be gravy, but we've got some Brussels and green beans to use up. So, yes, you will see time lapses. We'll be rabbiting. We actually have more cookies in the oven because, will you already have seen cookies? No, I don't think you would have done. But your other baking videos, cookies coming up, so there's a little sneak peek. And yeah, let's get in with a very hearty dinner that I am so excited for. It's in my belly.
You got me feeling kind of crazy. You got me feeling like my head is spinning round. The way you look is so amazing.
So you will see in an upcoming video, we go to town and try everything, and I can tell you now, it's not a spoiler, that we have not had one bad thing, and I've actually really enjoyed creating the meals from it. Mum has absolutely loved them. You've been, even the pork chops you liked, didn't you?
I did.
So it's been a very good success. When I spoke to Brogan yesterday, she was like, don't worry, like the freezer will be cleared. The freezer will be cleared when you come back up in June, because I was like, Brogan, I need to get like another big order. That's the only thing that kind of stops me from coming up on a plane, because obviously you can't take food on a plane. Can you take food on a train? Do you think
not the amount that you're going to want.
I was going to say, do you think they'd ever take a big home bargains bag full of food?
No.
Oh. So sometimes like the 8.5 hour drive actually makes it worth it, because I can stock up on all the food and then be living my best Scottish life. Like there is so much there that I would want to try. Like I feel we could get so many different types of the pies.
Yeah.
All the different types of chops. The chicken breast, they had wraps.
See, that chicken, you know that, the chicken that they wrap themselves.
Yeah.
In that,
with the garlic sauce.
That's it.
Oh.
I've never seen anything like that down here. Whether, I don't know if you can get it down here.
Well, they did another one as well called a chicken balmoral, which is, I think she said it's stuffed with haggis or black pudding.
Ooh.
So I may have to try that. But yeah, we have got the hog roast sausages tonight. So I picked up hog roast and caramelised onion. Already had caramelised onion ones, so it is hog roast. And as I say, I am following Brogan's instructions and putting them in the oven this time. She's told me, swift instructions, Shan in the oven. And when we do the haggis bonbons, because I was kind of worried what to do with the bonbons, and she said, you can have them, and they do, like, we do it down here, but you have the fry up for dinner. I said, we do that here, but she said the haggis bonbons are really good with peppercorn sauce.
Oh.
So I was like, we do love a peppercorn sauce. So I think I've got them left with some tatty scones, but we've got the Jamaican jerk chops.
Okay, when?
Maybe I'll do them Thursday.
Okay.
Oh, actually, no, I can do it Wednesday. We can watch the final episode of Shogun. Guys, we are obsessed with Shogun. The penultimate episode last week, I was like, no.
I can't believe.
I know. So that means we need to find a new series, which, I mean, Baby Reindeer. There's quite a few out there. I want to watch the one that's kind of like,
Sorry.
What do you need? Oh. I want to do the one that's where they put the people in the prison again, the experiment in America. Unlocked, I think this one's called.
Wasn't it 60 days in? Is that what?
That's what it's. But so there's a newer one called Unlocked, and I think it's kind of a similar thing.
You know that he was a bad man. That what was he? Oh, what are they called? Not the inspectors.
Constables, prison guard.
Yeah, it's prison guard, but he's like the main.
I was like the warden.
The warden. That's it. He was a bad man. He was taking money out of the state. and spending it on flashcards and that type of stuff.
Corruption within the prison system. I mean, is there anything that's not untoward of?
What do you reckon his prison sentence was?
Oh, probably suspended?
No.
What?
60 days in. Straight up.
Are you winding me up?
No,
I feel like this is a joke.
No, straight up. If I see it, I'll pull you. I'll be like, whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh, and guys, I'm going through a thing at the minute. I want a Chow Chow puppy.
Oh my god.
We decided we both like Rottweilers. So I think down the line, maybe in a few years, once I get something where I can work from home or one of us is at home, because I think it's unfair to keep a dog when you're not there. But yeah, I really, really want a Chow Chow pup.
Yeah, I'd love to win the lottery too.
Chow Chow pup and a Rottweiler pup. Tyson and Olaf, they'd be best friends.
God.
Anyway, I've been standing here just rabbiting absolute waffle. Let's actually get into cooking the sausage and mash. Roll the time lapse.
I could stare into your eyes for hours and hours. Everything is kinda hazy. We're just dancing in the dark in the flashing lights. I know you can't hear what I'm saying. So I'm just gonna hold you closer. You take me higher when we're together. It feels like you set my whole world on fire. I know I want you. I know.
Right, haggis, sausages going in, and that is 10-2. So yeah, green beans and Brussels. I thought we'll have a bit of veggies. And as I say, we've just done a fresh batch of bacon, so the house smells delicious. But it's gone very grey, guys. The sky, when I tell you the sky, that don't look good. It does not look good at all. I'm going to fill us up on veggies because we have got the gym tomorrow, so we need to be all of that. I've got gym and then I've actually got PT as well. Look at that. So I need a good little meal. But let me know down below, guys, what you have with your sausage and mash. Do you have it as like a mustard mash, a plain mash, cheesy mash? What would you say your favourite type of mash is?
Mustard.
Mustard? What type of mustard?
English.
English. See, I do like a whole grain.
Stronger.
I know strong. Oh God, we must launch it up here, you guys. I do like a whole grain though.
I do, but it's not.
You like the punchiness,
I
don't you?
do. That whack. Have some of that.
So yes, I think this is the perfect meal. I know we're supposed to be in spring, but there is no spring weather here. So I'm going to carry on chopping me veggies, and then before you know it, we will be hopefully stuffing our face. As I say, if we'd have been on an early this week, I would have done me fried onions and mushrooms, but you know what? It's very, very late at the moment, and we just need to get all of this done so that we can. Oh, why are you focusing off me? It zoomed off of me and went on you.
Oh, sorry.
Canon doesn't want to focus on me. But yes, I'm going to sort the veg out. That's gone in. We'll see how the sausages cook. And yeah, we will surely have a good dinner. Fingers crossed. Right, Mummy's back just in time for dishing it up. So, guys, when I tell you this black pudding, oh, it smells yummy. It's so crumbly. This is like proper. And look at the sausages. Oh! Guys, look
is that
at
old Brogan's dead?
Yes, so these are the hog roast sausages now.
What are they?
Hog roast sausages, these
Hog
ones.
roast.
Hog roast, yes. And we're going to have them with a mustard mash.
Oh, lovely, lovely.
A little bit of yum, 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 yum. Mustard. We've got plenty of greens and beans and everything. Oh, Mum, you ain't got a bowl for you?
Well, do yours and I'll, just let me have a look at that one. I think.
I thought you had the bigger one. Here,
Hang on, hang on.
Oh God, look at the camera.
Oh my goodness me!
Need you here.
Right, so mustard mash. I'm trying to think how best to plate this. I think put the mash on the bottom, then the veggies around it, and then sausages.
Are you using up that bit of whole grain?
No, we're going to use a little bit of mustard mash.
All right.
Let's put the kettle on. Put some gravy. It's all pedal to the metal tonight, guys. Real life. So, oh God. So let's put you on a time lapse because it's very, very noisy. You can't even see me. Hectic day, guys. Mama G has gone to watch her program. She was like, I'll tell you what I think after, because I don't want it to get cold and I want to watch my program. So I'm like, okay, you do you. But this black pudding definitely reminds me of when we was away and it was like a little country hotel there breakfast. And let's go hog roast sausages, which I think may have a little bit of apple. Sausages. Why? See, this is where I think there shouldn't be an excuse for a bland sausage. There shouldn't be.
Products.
Yeah. Like, I could never buy a sausage that's just plain. I have to get some form of flavouring.
Because I like to put a bit of flavouring on it.
Right, I'm excited for this black pudding. Because, is it good?
Yeah.
It crumbles. And if I remember as well, this was award winning too. Oh, and I can see why. Oh my God, that's got such a nice peppery kick.
Yeah, it's proper.
But so crumbly.
That's when you know it's a good black pudding, when it just crumbles.
I think there's nothing worse, but I say nothing worse. Down south, this is how you normally get black pudding. Just a really thick, burnt piece on a full English in a cafe. I've never had crumbly black pudding until we was like out in the countryside.
No, and that was the. To be fair, the first time I'd started eating it.
All right.
Because if it was on the plate, I'd be like, ski with that. And then when we was away and we tried it, that was
let me know, guys, do you like a firm black pudding or do you like a crumbly?
Some people don't eat it at all.
I know. See, I really want to try white pudding.
What's the difference?
I can't remember. I'm sure Brogan did tell me. Oh my God, I love that black pudding.
Mine's gone.
Demolished. I think something like a classic dinner like this, you need to have the staples. Like, you need to have a good bit of sausage, because your potatoes and your veg, jazz them up as they were. As I say, we've put English mustard in the mash, but you've got to have like your main bits of your sausage and your black pudding. Oh, I'm so excited to send Brogan the photos of this one. And after, you will see Mama G's reaction. But this, 10 out of 10. You?
Look how look how meaty that is.
He's just stabbed his knife in his sausage.
Sorry. Oh, I've got to go 10.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I don't think, just dropped a bit of gravy, me being me. We can't fault it. Actually cannot fault it.
Look how solid they are.
It's what you need. You need a good filled sausage. Look at I mean, I must say cooked to perfection by myself.
Of course. I would expect nothing other.
But yeah, we're gonna sit and chill. I don't quite know what we're watching tonight, guys.
Whatever you want.
What's the time? 20 to 8. We've got to be asleep for like...
We ain't gotta be. You put a lot of pressure on yourself to get sleep.
Well, it is because we need... They say you've got to have 8 hours for good weight loss. And we're lucky if we get 5. So I'm like, at least try and get 6.
Okay.
Go to sleep 9, get up at 3. Or go to bed at 9:30, get up at 3:30. Up, get dressed, get ready, into the gym for 4.
Let's do it.
Right, I'm going to tuck into this and then I will see you guys in a bit when Mum will give her review as well. But yeah, I love this. It's a little bit later, guys, and Mum has been watching her programmes and eating all of hers. But I got it wrong. That wasn't actually black pudding we had with it. That was the haggis.
What, haggis? Oh, lovely.
The slices.
Whatever it was lovely.
I got confused and thought it was the black pudding, but it was actually the haggis. So it was the hog roast sausages, haggis, Brussels beans and mustard mash with the gravy. And it was thoroughly, thoroughly delicious.
Yes.
Me and Dan gave it another 10 out of 10.
Yeah. 10 out of 10 from Len.
I said I can't wait until we're back up in June to get more flavours.
Yes, I bet you can't.
Brogan's already like, I will have the freezer clear. Do not worry. Because there's loads of different flavours.
What,
So
sausages?
We've tried the hog roast and the caramelised onion.
Yeah.
I
And
think
we've
they
had the
do-
little chicken.
I think they do the jerk. You guys will see all of this in the
Because
week food.
What was them round bits? Haggis?
Yeah. that's
Not
what we're doing.
black
Not
pudding.
black pudding.
Well, we need to get some black pudding then.
I've got something with black pudding in that you guys will see in the weekly vlog when we eat it all. I've actually got to get that out tonight.
All right.
So there is another food video
Try and
coming.
see if you can get the little crown with the chicken. The chicken with
I'll
the
get that
stuffing
when I go back
from
up.
Stephen.
I'll
See if
get
he
that
does a
in the
double
thing.
sides.
So as I say, you'll see this one, and then I think tomorrow you see the vlog where we eat all of the butcher's food for the week and everything. So, but yes. Oh, and also we have, oh, Canon, there we are. We have a new little viewer. I had a lovely lady message me the other night, and she said she's got an 8-month-old daughter called Olivia.
Oh.
And she said whenever I come on the screen, she just smiles. And
Oh,
she
hello,
loves to
Olivia.
watch me.
Oh, bless.
So I said we would do a little shout out for Olivia, but yeah, she said they was watching the Flapjacks and she was just like sitting laughing at the screen and staring.
Oh, was
So
she?
that could be my youngest
viewer.
Yeah, it could be the youngest viewer,
yes.
8 months old. But
Oh.
yes, as I
Thank
say,
you.
absolutely love that. But guys, if you did enjoy the video, you know what to do. Hit that thumbs up and subscribe down below. And as I say, leave us a comment. What did you think of the sausage and mash? And of course, I will leave all of... Canon, you keep going in and out. I will leave all of the butcher's details down below in case you are up in Scotland.
And just let us know what funny surprises you've had in your sausages.
Yeah, what flavour sausages do you like the best? But yes, we will take care, stay safe, and we will see you soon for another video. It's probably going to be the food video. So I hope you're hungry. Bye, guys.
Bye.